Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to check traffic before leaving home on Google Maps. So to do this, you have just to go to Google Maps and put the place that you are going to. For example, I will put this place, and after that go and click on direction. And on direction, as you can see there is icon, this circle icon on the top right of the screen. Just click on it, and after that click on traffic. And as you can see now, it will show you the traffic, and you can see the traffic before leaving your home, and it will tells you how much time do you need to arrive to your destination. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.